A new era of creativity has arrived. AI-generated art is sweeping the world, creating stunning masterpieces in seconds. But is this a revolution, or is it a threat to human artists? Will artificial intelligence take over creativity, or is it simply a new tool in the artist's hands? For centuries, human imagination has shaped the art we admire. Every brushstroke, every sculpture, every masterpiece tells a story of passion and skill. But now, AI can generate breathtaking visuals with just a few prompts. It learns from millions of images, mimicking styles of great artists in an instant. In fact, AI-generated artwork has already sold for millions, like the famous portrait of Edmond de Bellamy, auctioned for $432,500. The question is, does AI-generated art devalue human creativity, or does it expand the possibilities of artistic expression? According to a 2023 study, over 60% of artists believe AI is a powerful tool rather than a threat. But others worry that AI will replace jobs, with some estimates suggesting that automation could impact up to 50% of creative industry roles in the next decade. AI is already reshaping industries: illustration, design, even filmmaking. Companies like OpenAI, Adobe, and Google are racing to develop AI models that can create photorealistic images, music, and even animated films. Businesses and individuals use AI to create quick, low-cost visuals, making traditional artists wonder, will they still be needed? But creativity is more than just patterns and pixels. AI lacks the human soul, the personal experiences that shape an artist's work. While AI can assist, guide, and even inspire, the essence of art, emotion, perspective, and meaning remains deeply human. Studies show that while AI can replicate styles, audiences still resonate more deeply with art that has a human story behind it. So, is AI art the end of human creativity or a new beginning? Perhaps the future isn't about replacement, but collaboration. A world where AI assists, but human vision leads. AI is here, and it's evolving fast. The question is, how will we adapt? What do you think? Will AI replace human artists, or will it simply redefine what art can be? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating discussions.